For today's project, we're going to go ahead and get started with creating a page here. So you can click on print, letter. You're going to go ahead and write MP3 player on there. So MP3 player. And then change this to inches and hit create. The next thing you're going to do is type in your name at the top, create the text box. Make sure you type in 75 size. Make sure your font, and then black, perfect. And then click on it once, so you can go ahead and start typing your name. Alright, so what you're going to do is we're going to go ahead and design a MP3 player. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the shapes tools today. If looking at the MP3 player, we're going to look at basic shapes on there. So when we look at basic shapes, we're going to see that we're using rectangles, circles, right? So we're going to continue doing the same thing here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select the rectangle tool, click once. You're going to go ahead and remove this here. So as you see the difference, when it has a black box around it, that means that it's selected. We don't want it selected, right? Now the next thing is the first rectangle needs to have a width of 765 by 1275 pixels, and you want to draw from center. For you guys, it's going to come out this color, okay? But what I want you to do is go ahead and pick any color you want except for black, red, and white. So change it to any color. I'm gonna go with this purple here. So that was the first one. The second one, you're gonna go ahead and draw a second rectangle. You're gonna go ahead and put in the size here. So it's gonna be 635 by 508. And this one's gonna have a fill color of white. And then one thing you're going to use is the move tool here. Click on the move tool, that's the first one there. And what you're able to do is click, hold it, and then move it into its place. Okay. The next shape we're going to be doing is going to be a circle. So you want to go ahead and select the ellipse tool. And then we're going to move our cursor right into this bottom area. And when you click, let go. And you're going to type in 445. 445 and hit the OK. Alright, that's the first one. Now we're going to hit the second one. The second one's going to be 210 by 210. So let me clear this one out. 210 by 210. This one you're going to go ahead and change the color again. Let's select that purple. In case that you don't see the first color there, you could go ahead and move your cursor right over the color that you want. So I move the cursor here. That's the purple it's telling me that I have chosen before. Hit OK. Move that into place. Okay. Now, one final circle. We're going to go ahead and make sure the ellipse is chosen. We're going to click here. And this size is going to be 1190 by 1190 and hit OK. You have this thing here. What we want to do is we want to go ahead and change the fill on this one. So up here where it says fill, you want to go ahead and do none. Okay, so it becomes transparent. And the stroke, we want to change it to the color one. So select the second option, select the red, and then here's the size. We want to change this to 77. You're going to go and click on the move tool, move it right into place. After you're done with that, you're going to select the line tool, and you're going to draw a line from this point to the other one. So I'm clicking, holding, and dragging it out to the opposite end, and then you have this. Okay. After you're done with that, you're going to go to, so you're going to go to export as, JPEG, save, and then you're going to import it for your assignment.